Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Hi, hello. Hi, everyone. Okay, so let's start the class with welcome song. Chalo, start kare. Let's start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Yes, the days become more beautiful with your beautiful smiles. Yes, so kids, now after welcome song, we are going to sing Mulberry Bush. All right. और मलबेरी बुश में सबको एक्शंस करना है, ठीक है ना? Yes. चलो, let's start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. All right. Okay, kids. Now it's time for some warm-up exercises. So stand up, everyone. Yes. So आपको पता है yesterday ma'am had told कि I am going to ask every day one of you to do the exercise जैसे कल आयुष ने करा था, remember? Yes. So today who is going to do the exercises for me? Anaisha, come on. Today you do. Okay, we go alphabetically. Anaisha,
Sure.
come on. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon बोलो.
Good afternoon.
चलो start. क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? हम everyone stand up.
Stand up करते हैं, clapping वाला करते हैं. Clapping वाला. हाँ तो आप ही तो करा रहे हो.
Come on. कराओ.
Very
Yes,
good.
what we have to do? Yes, so we have to clap first. Raise your hands, stretch your arms and clap. Come on everyone. Clap, 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 clap. Yes,
चलो अब उसके
very good. Now Anaisha, what we have to do?
hand.
Yes, like this. Come on. Everyone stretch your arms and move your hands. Move your wrist. Wrist, wrist,
No, ऐसे.
wrist, wrist. Daily I am going to say one of you to do the exercises. ठीक है ना? We go alphabetically. Wrist.
अब उसके
Move your
band
wrist.
वाला. ऊपर
Now.
band होते हैं ना.
Okay. So raise your hands higher, everyone. and bend yourself and try to touch your feet. Very good. Come on, everyone, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hand higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Yes. Now, Anaisha. Okay. So look, Anaisha, what Anaisha is doing. You have to keep your thumb on your shoulders. Come on, everyone. And move your hands forward. Move your hands. Come on. Move your hands. Ridan, where are you? Now, backward. अब पीछे करेंगे. Move your hands backward. Move your hands backward.
मामा करिए ये फ्रंट होता है फिर इसको ऐसे हाथ को नीचे ला
ठीक है ना? Anything else, Anaisha?
Yeah, jumping.
Yes. So everyone, keep your hands on your waist and start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Might be there's some network issue. आज सुबह से नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है, तो might be there's some network issue. All right, Ayush mother.
कौन-कौन सी आती है?
Okay. Very nice. Very good, Anaisha. Thank you. All right. Kids, now sit down. Sit. Okay. So, kids, am I visible and audible to you all? Yes? Okay. Chalo. Now we'll do our work. So, sit down. Padmana. Everyone, come on, get your English copy. Come on, get your English copy and write down today's date. आज date क्या है? 22/7/2021. Oh, today I forgot to tell you the date and the day. So kids, today the date is 22 July 2021 and the day is Thursday. आज कौन सा day है? Thursday. Which day is today? Today is Thursday. And come on kids, tell me how many days are there in a week? Before starting our English work, आप मुझे ये बताओ कि how many days are there in a week? मैम ने आपको बताया था ना? पता है आपको? Do you know that? There are 7 days. Yes, Lokendra. 7 days in a week. कितने days होते हैं एक week में? 7. चलो, let's say with ma'am. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is a holiday. All right. Now, kids, let's start our work. So, first of all, you write down today's date. Write down today's date, that is 22/7/2021. And then we are going to start our work. First of all, write down the date and then we'll start our work. Now everyone pay attention. Everyone pay attention. What we are doing, हम क्या कर रहे थे? We are learning 2-letter words. मैम ने आपको बताया था कि बेटा ये जैसे 2 letters है, these are 2 letters, है ना? जब ये अलग अलग हैं तो ये 2 letters हैं. But when we add two or two more than two letters together. When we add two or more than two letters together, जब हम दो या दो से ज्यादा letters को जोड़ते हैं तो it becomes a word. तो वो क्या बन जाता है? Word. ठीक है? What it becomes? It becomes a word. जब तक letters अलग अलग हैं वो letters हैं, पर जब when we add two or more than two letters together, जब हम दो या दो से ज्यादा letters को जोड़ दें तो they become words. ठीक है? First of all हम लोग A sound वाले words revise करेंगे, then we'll move to another. All right? अभी आपको A sound वाले words लिखना नहीं है, सिर्फ रिवाइज करेंगे. Then we are going to do the another words. Okay? चलो everyone, pay attention. Come on, come on. Yes, come on, read with ma'am. You don't have to write, you only have to read. चलो. A, am, am. A, am, am. बोलो. Come on. A, M, am. Then A, N, an. A, N, an. Then A, S, as. Mothers, it's your responsibility. You kindly make sure they read the words along with me, because this is a very new concept to them. Letters से direct words पर आना अभी problem आए तो then they are going to face the problem further also. So you kindly make sure it's your responsibility. They are saying it or not. As. आपको phonic sound बोलना है. You have to say the phonic sound and then say the word. As, as. Then to, at, to, at. Then app. You don't have to write this. आपको ये लिखना नहीं है. I'm only reading it for the revision purpose. A, P, app, app, app. Then egg, 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 egg. ठीक है? Then add, add, add. All right, come on, let's read it one more time. Am, an, S, to, at, app. इस तरह से आपको रीड करना है by using phonic sounds. G, ag, and d, add. Okay? चलो. Now अब ए के बाद कौन सा साउंड आएगा? कम ऑन. आपको मैम ने कितने वोवल्स बताए थे? हाउ मेनी वोवल्स आर देयर? देयर आर 5 वोवल्स, है ना? हाउ मेनी वोवल्स? 5. ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. अगेन ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, एंड द रेस्ट आर नोन एज, जो बच गए वो कॉन्सोनेंट. यस. तो अब हमने ए वाले वर्ड्स करे, नाउ अब ए के बाद कौन से वर्ड्स आएंगे? ई, ठीक है। आफ्टर ए वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 2 letter words of E sound. So come on, get your copy and write down the date. So today we are going to do E sound words. Okay, let's start. Start. The first one is E plus N. E plus N. तो E का साउंड क्या होता है? ए और न, एन। एन नहीं बोलेंगे। लुक mothers, you also pay attention. Mothers, you also pay attention. Look, there's a difference between E and A. हम दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन भले ही ए करते हो, बट उन दोनों में डिफरेंस होता है। लाइक जब हम ए साउंड के वर्ड्स बोलेंगे तो हमारा पूरा मुंह खुलेगा, ए, ठीक है। और जब हम ई साउंड के वर्ड्स बोलेंगे तो हमारा मुंह नहीं खुलेगा। ए इज इन दिस वे, जैसे मैंने यहां लिखा ए एन और ई एन, ठीक है। ए एन एंड ई एन, तो ए एन एन एंड ई एन एन। अंडरस्टैंड? आर यू गेटिंग मी? देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए एंड ई। व्हेन वी से ए साउंड वर्ड्स, जब हम ए साउंड के वर्ड्स बोलते हैं तो उसमें हमारा पूरा मुंह खुलता है, हम लोग खींचते हैं उसे, एन, ए एन, एन। बट व्हेन वी से ई साउंड वर्ड्स तो हमारा मुंह नहीं खुलता है, एन, ठीक है। देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, बोलकर देखो, एन एन, एन एन। So this is the difference between A and E sound words. Mothers, understood? Kids, any problem? Kindly write in the chat box. ठीक है, अभी से हम लोग क्लियर कर कर चलेंगे कि what is the difference between A sound words and E sound words, so it becomes easy for us to learn and understand the words. ठीक है ना? चलो, ऑल राइट। तो आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ गया। इफ anyone have any kind of doubt, kindly feel free to ask me anytime. All right? चलो, E N N E N N, इसे हम खींचेंगे नहीं because it is E sound. N, you have to write it 3 times. E N N. अंडरस्टूड किड्स? ए और ई में क्या फर्क है? ए को हम पूरा खींचते हैं, हमारा मुंह पूरा खुलता है, एन। और ई में हमारा मुंह पूरा नहीं खुलता, एन, एन, एन। ठीक है, इन दिस वे यू हैव टू लर्न इट। आप ऐसे लर्न करोगे तो आपको आगे जाकर प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। मदर्स, आई एम टेलिंग टू यू ऑल्सो, whenever you make them read the words, आपको ये बातों का ध्यान रखना है कि ए साउंड और ई साउंड में क्या डिफरेंस है। All right, now next. E, T. When we add E with T, जब हम E और T को मिलाएंगे तो E का फोनिक साउंड है A एंड T का ट, ए ट, एट। एट नहीं है, ए होता तो हम बोलते एट, बट दिस इज ई टी, तो एट, ई टी, एट। E T, at. E T, at. E N N E T, at. Read and write. Kids, you have to read the words again and again. मैम बार बार आपको ये बात बोलती हैं कि रीड करना है. Why? Because it is very important to read it. It will enhance your vocabulary. ठीक है ना? It will enhance your reading skills as well. So you have to read each and everything before writing. Whether it is a maths, English or Hindi work. You have to read and then write. E N N and E T, at. Then number third is E D. E D, ed. 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 So you have to write it 3 times. Ed. Come on, do it up to here. Done. E N L. E T, at. E D, ed. So that is the difference A और E के बीच में. A वाले वर्ड्स में हम पूरा मुंह खोलते हैं a and at and as, बट E वाले वर्ड्स में हम मुंह नहीं खोलते पूरा. At and ed, in this way. All right, the next one is E G. E G, egg. Egg, egg. E का साउंड होता है ए और G का साउंड होता है ग. Egg, egg. E G, egg. E G, egg. E G, egg. Okay, these are the 2-letter words of E sound, E vowel sound. These are the 2-letter words of E vowel sound. जब हम 2 या 2 से ज्यादा letters को साथ में लिखते हैं, when we add 2 or more than 2 letters, then it will become words. So we are writing 2-letter words here of E vowel sound. Number 5. E B, eb, ebb, 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 ebb. E B, ebb. E B, ebb. So these are some 2-letter words of E vowel sound. E N N, E T, at. ed ed, eg egg, and ed ed. Sorry, eb eb. That is B. eb eb. Okay.